Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop. I've looked through the product details and what this robot offers, and I'll tell you whether I think it's worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest feature here is the powerful 25,000 Pascal suction. With 5 suction levels, the L40 Ultra Gen 2 can adjust cleaning performance for different surfaces, making it suitable for everything from everyday dust and crumbs to carpets and heavier debris. For pet owners, that extra cleaning power can also help tackle hair and dirt that builds up around the home. What makes this model more interesting is its extendable side brush and mop. These can reach closer to corners and edges, helping clean areas that many robot vacuums leave behind. The robot can also clean under furniture, making it useful for maintaining those hard-to-reach areas without constantly moving things around yourself. The mopping system is equally important. The mop can lift up to 10.5 millimeters when carpet is detected, helping prevent wet mops from dragging across carpet. You also get several carpet strategies, including carpet avoidance, suction boost, intensive carpet cleaning, and mop lifting, giving you more control over how the robot handles mixed flooring. Then there's the all-in-one dock. It is designed to automate much of the cleaning and maintenance process, meaning you don't have to constantly empty and clean the robot yourself. That's one of the biggest reasons to consider a premium robot vacuum in the first place. Navigation is handled by Smart Pathfinder and 3D Adapt technology. The robot can map your home and avoid obstacles such as shoes and other objects. Better navigation means fewer interruptions and less time spent rescuing the robot when it gets stuck. The 5,200 mAh battery is also impressive. Dreame claims up to 231 minutes of cleaning in quiet mode and coverage of up to 1,679 square feet under those conditions. Actual results will vary depending on suction level, flooring, and how much mopping you use, but it should be capable of handling larger cleaning jobs. You can control everything through the app, and the robot works with Alexa, Siri, and Google Home. That makes scheduling and starting cleaning convenient, especially when you're away from home. There's one thing to keep in mind. The automatic cleaning solution filling function requires a separate automatic filling module. So if you want that particular feature, you'll need to purchase the module separately. So should you buy it? I think the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2 is a strong choice for people who want a highly automated cleaning system, especially if you have pets, mixed flooring, or a busy schedule. The combination of powerful suction, extendable cleaning components, smart navigation, carpet handling, and an automated dock makes it much more than a basic robot vacuum. My verdict is that I would recommend considering it if you want premium hands-free floor cleaning. Just factor in the additional module if automatic solution filling is important to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.